Ryan Combs here with AFT Construction. Just want to do a little follow-up video on our Matterport video we did a few months ago at Rough. As I had mentioned, right, like I want to have the least amount of drywall damage as we can. So we went ahead and left all the whips in the wall, you know, planning correctly and trying to get them right where we needed them. But what we did was we went back and referenced the Matterport video with the electricians, and we're able to cut in our boxes for our art lights exactly where they're gonna be, and we have no drywall damage to fix. And a lot of times when you leave the whips out, right, you're guessing super early, so then when the furniture comes or whatever, you're trying to move everything and you do actually have some drywall damage or some areas to fix. This way on our art wall, it worked out great, and out here in the entry, we had another art light and that worked out fantastic. Another thing you gotta be careful of as a superintendent is what style base the light has, right? I went through this early on some of my houses. You put in a round box and it comes, when the light finally comes, it comes as a rectangle, and then what, you're doing more drywall. So we worked closely with the electricians, took the lighting specs, and we're able to know exactly what box to put in. So here again, I'm right under where we have these 3 art lights in the great room. And obviously there's a couple ways you could do it. You could try and get exact measurements at Rough, and like Cannon's done in one of his videos, he put some tape and marked it exactly where it's supposed to be, how many feet off the ground, how many inches from the side of the wall. A lot of times what I found is if those need to shift, depending on furniture or just any plans that the designer has, you're gonna have drywall. So we went ahead and reconfirmed everything after drywall, brought the Matterport video back out, and we're able to pinpoint where those whips were. And then we went ahead, checked our specs on the lighting. Yes, they're getting rectangle boxes, sideways, so we were able to have the electrician cut them in perfectly. And because of that, we have no drywall damage to fix, saving money for the customer, company, and also time.